Hi Vaishnavi, how are you?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm good too, thank you. Can you tell us something about yourself?
Yes, first of all, thank you for this mock interview. My name is Vaishnu Subhash Habre, and I have completed graduation in BSc Computer Science in 2021. And I have a 3-year experience in automation testings. And my current project name is a Market Maven project. And apart from this, I have a knowledge about SQL, API testing, SQLs, and Postmans like that.
hmm Okay. What is the difference between static and non-static members in Java?
Static members are used where the statics variable are used there, and non-static variables non-statics are the there is not used the non-static variable, and static variable you can call using the call class name, and
Mm-hmm.
non-static methods you cannot be the call using the class name.
Mm-hmm. Okay. How about memory allocation?
Memory allocations are the like a string literal pools are referred to the memory special locations that store the string objects value like that.
So non-static members would be stored in the class memory, right?
Yes.
Are you sure? See, what would happen is, let me share the screen. So I was asking you, so non-static members are allocated actually separately for each object. So I was trying to confuse you. This kind of things can happen in a real-time interview also. So you don't have to get confused. You have to stuck with your correct answers. Okay. What is static members? They belong to the class. Non-static members, they belong to the object or instance that I think you mentioned. Access point you mentioned. It can be accessed using the class name dot method, class name dot variable. Non-static methods members would be accessed via objects. So objects dot method, object dot variable. Now, when to use? So data or methods would be shared among all the objects, and here object needs its own data. Right? This is assigned by a static keyword. This is a simple integer age. Modification. So changing will affect all the things, right? Changing will affect only the specific thing. Okay, so that's the difference between the static and the non-static members. What do you know about polymorphism?
Polymorphism is one of the concept of OOPs that are used for the one single variable you can store in a multiple times. And main purpose of that polymorphism is code reusability and code optimizations. And there are the two type of polymorphism: compile time polymorphism and runtime polymorphism.
Mhm.
Compile time polymorphism it is known as a static polymorphism, and that is known as a method overloading. And another polymorphism is known as a runtime polymorphism. This is known as a dynamic polymorphism, and that is known as a method overrider.
Okay, great. What is multiple inheritance?
Multiple inheritance it means multiple child class can acquire property from a multiple parent class.
Okay. Is multiple inheritance supported in Java?
No.
So what would you do to have that solution in Java?
Mm, Java does not support multiple inheritance because supporting multiple inheritance it means creating a problem like a diamond problem.
Correct, correct. So how would you have that solution? Can we have multiple inheritance with some other specific thing such that this problem is not there in Java?
I don't recall right now.
Okay, can it not be resolved using interfaces?
Yes.
Yeah. So do you know about what is interface?
Yes, interface is a collection of object class, and interface is a blueprint of that class. And interface can be declared using the interface keyword, and it is support the multiple inheritors, and it is are used to the supporting the loop of coupling.
Okay. So now I'm giving you screen sharing rights. I want you to write this program in which multiple inheritance is happening using interfaces. Okay. Can you click on share screen button, the green color button? In the Zoom, you would be able to see.
Yes,
Click on that button and open the online Java compiler in your laptop. In that, you are supposed to write the program. Can you open the online Java compiler?
I, in a
In
browser I
yeah,
can't.
yeah. In the browser itself, you have to open. So let me stop screen sharing first. So you are sharing your screen, right? You first open that browser, online Java compiler.
My screen is visible.
No, no, not yet. It was visible now. Now it is not visible. You have opened online Java compiler.
Okay, okay. I will
Yeah, you have to click on share screen button and you have to click that window, click that tab which you want to share.
first 1 minute.
No problem. Take your time.
Is it my screen sharing?
Screen is getting shared. Open online Java compiler. Yeah, yeah. And
Is it visible?
yes, yes. Open online Java compiler. Click on that first link. Yeah. Write the program in this of multiple inheritance using interfaces.
I use for, but I didn't recall right now.
Okay, no problem. So write a program for multi-level inheritance.
First, we create the parent class. Then, using the extend class, we can join the two classes like that.
Correct, correct. Yeah, so write the
And
program.
then using you are creating the object. Then you access the our data from the parent class like that.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So write the entire program. You're going in the right direction.
Then you can print the system to.
Hmm. So you already have main method. You
Yes,
already have main method defined at the line number 5.
yes. You can then it will the parent class like this is parent class and this is child class. Both are the print here.
Mm, mm, right.
It's
So
done.
yeah, it's done, but you don't need to write this main method again since it is there in the fifth line, right? 22nd line, you don't need to write main method again. It's there in the, you see fifth line, public static void main.
It's okay. Using yes.
Yeah, right. So you don't have to write that main method again. Okay, now you can stop sharing the screen. Okay. So now can you tell me what is the significance of super keyword in Java?
Super keyword are held to the any variable method constructor can be called from a parent class.
Hmm.
For you can
Okay.
use the super keyword.
Okay. What is the use of this keyword?
These keywords are used to the refer the current class of object, and these keywords are used to the current class of constructor, and these keywords are used to the invoke current class of methods, and this keyword you can pass to parameter to the constructor call, and also you can pass to the parameter to the method call.
Okay. Okay. What is constructor?
Constructor mainly initialize used to the data member of that variable, and constructor has the same name as a class name. Constructor has a no return type and no return types, and it will run automatically when you create objects. And there are two type of constructor, like a default constructor and parameterized constructor.
Okay. Okay. Meanwhile, let me tell you the solution for the multiple inheritance as well, right? So earlier, I think you were telling, no? So see, this is the code for multiple inheritance. Are you able to see the screen?
Yes, yes,
So you have defined one of the interface, then you have defined one of the interface, one B again. So this is A, this is B,
yes,
okay. Then you have class C, which is implementing A and B, right? So this is actually the solution for the diamond problem. We were discussing about diamond problem over there.
yes, sir.
Hmm? And then you will create the main method like that. C object equal to new C, like that,
Okay,
right? Clear?
yes,
Great. Okay. Now let's take, you have the string as Vaishnavi. Okay, you have to reverse the string. So can you write a Java program for that?
yes,
Okay, reversing the string. So the reversed output would be IVANHSIAB.
yes. Okay, I will create a
Hmm.
program for that.
Yeah. Can you share your screen?
Is it visible?
Yes, yes.
Yes. Can I uh,
Yeah,
program in
you can.
English?
Yeah, you can write the program in Eclipse as well.
Yes. Is it visible? Am I audible?
Yes, you're audible. So what did you do here? So your string name is Vaishnavi.
Yes.
But the output you should get is IVANHSIAV. Can you see the output? You are not getting it. All the characters are not coming there. Why?
It's problem. It will get correct output now.
Okay, great. Wait. AIHN. No, still, if you see IVANHSIAV. So V is not coming second time. Can you
It's
see in the output? Hmm.
I can also reverse in using string builder and string buffer.
Okay, so use that approach. So what did you do here? Can you explain this program?
First, I create a string name equal to Vaishnavi. Then, after the for loop, we are using int a equal to name dot length of that a string. Then we can the a less than equal to one and one minus minute. This means it gives the completely one by one the return types like that return value of that string.
Okay, okay, great.
Also, you can use the string builder and string buffer. You can write like okay, I can.
So remove above code. Yeah, remove this above code. So this is the inbuilt method that you are using.
Yes.
So in an interview, you have to use that approach of for loop only. Avoid using this inbuilt method.
Okay.
Okay. Now the next program, the same program you have to write is this is only the string. You have to find out how many characters are coming, how many types.
How many characters?
So what is the count of each character? For example, V is coming twice, A is coming twice, I is coming twice, S is coming once. So what is the count of each character?
I don't know about that.
Okay. Are you aware about hash map?
Yes, yes.
So can you write the program with respect to hash map?
Using
Give
the
it,
characters.
yeah, give it a try. Give it a try.
Hash map has set. What is?
Hash map, hash map.
It is not converted into Java data util.
Okay, okay. Wait. Let me show you the solution for this. Get an idea on this. Is the screen visible?
Yes, yes.
Hmm? See, this is a string. First of all, we'll convert it to lowercase. Okay, and
Okay.
then this is the syntax how you will define the hash map. Hash map character comma integer char count map equal to new hash map. So this is hash map. It's a combination of key value pair. So your
Yes.
key would be your character. and your value would be your integer. So character, how many times it is coming, so that is displayed in the integer, and your character, the different characters that you have in your string. Okay,
Yes.
then you'll go for each loop, right, for every particular character. So you'll count the occurrences of each of the character. Okay, so
Okay.
that's one of the approach. Then you will identify and count the duplicate characters. Let's say if it is coming more than one, then you'll increment the count as well. So for example, V is coming twice, A is coming twice, I is coming twice, right? So that is the logic for identifying and counting the duplicate characters.
Okay.
And then you will go for system.out.println, right?
Yes. Okay.
Great, fine. So what is the difference between abstract class and interface?
Abstract class are you can declare using the abstract keywords, and abstracts interface is used to the
Interface is not abstract. You'll just call it as interface.
yes, yeah, abstract is not a fully implemented class in Java, so you can't create the objects. And interface both are the common for the using for the abstractions, achieve the abstractions, and interface. I don't recall right now.
So interface, what you have to do is interface is providing you 100% of abstraction. Abstract class is providing you partial abstraction. In abstract class, you will have abstract methods as well as non-abstract methods. Whereas if you see interface, it will have all the abstract methods only. Whichever class is extending the abstract class, it needs to implement, it needs to create the methods body of the methods that are defined in the abstract class, right? So interfaces can be implemented, right? The keyword is used as abstract for abstract class, and it is used as interface for the interfaces. Is this clear now?
Yes.
Okay, what is, so I think method overloading, method overriding we saw. Next. Okay, can you explain about encapsulation?
Encapsulations is one of the concept of hooks that are used to the wrapping of data and functions together. And in main purpose of that encapsulations is data hiding and data security. And
Mhm.
in encapsulations, you are the make a data as a private. Then using the getter setter methods, you can access these methods, access this data.
Okay, 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 great. So Vaishnavi, I'm done with the interview. Do you have any questions for me?
How was my interview?
Yeah, sure.